Come here. Can you say hi? Okay, let's try it from this angle. Can you say hi? Say hello. You scoot down so they can see you and so I can get you in the camera. Come here. Step up. I know. Step up. Hi, I love you. I love you, chicken. Come here. Step up. Why are you not listening? Come here. That's better. I can see you. Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Huh? Come here, baby. You can show everybody your wings. Ooh. I know. It's big. It's a big wing. Are you Mama's sweet baby? Hmm? Chicken. Don't put my finger in your mouth. Want me to pet you? Oh, come here. Oh, come here. Come here. I think you're too close again. Hi. I don't want to just pet you all the time. Goodness. Hi, baby. Can you talk to me? Huh? Can you talk to me? Hello? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yes. You hear the bulldog over there in the corner snoring? I don't think we can get him in the picture. It's too dark. You're only in this picture because you're solid ghostly white. Can you tell everybody you helped to clean out your cage today? Look at all your feathers. All your feathers? My goodness. Are you pretty? Are you a pretty bird chicken? Where'd you go? Hi. Hello? Hello? Oh, someone's buzzing us for a message. Are you gossiping? Are you gossiping again? Hello, I'm talking to you. Come over here. You're in my spot. I scooted up so I could film you. Come here. Hey. Hey. Hi. Are you not talking anymore? Did you hear that dog snoring? Okay, let's go back to your cage. I know you don't want to get up there, but go ahead. Can you tell everybody bye? See if we can get the dog in the picture. And that is our Bulldog.